Take a look at MRMD right now, currently traded at 54 cents, requested over here on Investors Hangout. Nice moving stock here you brought to us, so we do appreciate that very much. With that being said, right now, again, 54 cents hitting that resistance level of 54. We hit that yesterday as well. A big volume for this one. Okay, 151,000 shares traded yesterday. So far today, 185,000 shares traded today. The average volume for the last 20 days has been about 45,000 shares. Beautiful move here, starting around the 10th of May, coming off of that 29 cents, almost a double. I mean, for the intraday today, you guys would have hit a double off of that since the 10th. Not bad for doubling your money in just 13 days. So right now, you guys are outside that upper Bollinger Band just a little bit. The RSI is at 82. My personal opinion, I think you got maybe one more day left in this one. Might tap out around that 60 cents and start pulling back from there. You guys see, if you pay attention to this candle right here, halfway out of that upper Bollinger Band, it pulls back the next day on a gap. So we're going to be watching this one. Might have another day or so to trade. Really depends on that volume, if that volume continues or not. If that volume starts slowing down, I'd be watching for a pullback. But really nice steady chart here for the last 10 days here as well. So we're going to watch this one. And Joe, you can jump in whenever you're ready. I understand it's pretty quick.
Cool. Yeah, so with this one right here, as of April 30th, 2017, it authorizes 100 million shares, with the float as of January 5th, 2017 being 23,288,895 shares. All right, so their latest press release was on May 18th, 2017. It was MariMed update. It was a Q1 revenues double, cannabis services and products business growing. So MariMed Incorporated has, over the past few years, quietly developed its client base and revenue in the legal cannabis industry. Management anticipates MariMed will be on an even faster growth trajectory, as many of its projects will be coming to fruition. MariMed reported strong revenue growth for 2016, which has concluded into 2017. MariMed Incorporated revenue for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2017 was $1,150,719, nearly double the revenue of $614,456 for the comparable quarter in 2016. MariMed more than doubled revenue in 2016 over 2015, increasing from 1.27 million in 2015 to 3.56 million in 2016. Substantially all revenue was attributed to its subsidiary MariMed Advisors and its cannabis service and products business. So over the past few years, MariMed has written and supplied expertise for winning applications for medical cannabis facility licenses in 5 states. The company has developed and funded 5 cannabis facilities and provides ongoing management oversight for its clients. For clients in Delaware, Illinois, and Nevada, MariMed is now developing 6 cannabis facilities for clients in Massachusetts and Maryland. Concurrently, MariMed has created it's called Calm Fusion, a brand of precision dose cannabis infused products. After years of development and consumer testing in Delaware and Rhode Island, MariMed has introduced these products into more than 40 dispensaries in Illinois. MariMed is in the process of securing licensed partners to distribute Calm Fusion into hundreds of licensed dispensaries in additional states. So the comment from the CEO, the MariMed team has been working extremely hard over the past several years to build an impressive legal cannabis services and licensed product business, stated Robert Fireman, CEO of MariMed Advisors, a wholly owned subsidiary of MariMed Incorporated. We now have a broad range of clients across the entire cannabis business continuum, from aspiring license applications to established businesses that are selling our Calm Fusion line of products and expanding their facilities to meet demand. Management is extremely pleased with the progress and encouraged by our current growth trajectory. We are confident that we are ideally positioned to capitalize on the massive potential of the legal cannabis industry in North America. So that's that. So, I mean, there's a comment from the CFO too. It says MariMed is establishing a growing North American footprint and recognition for best practices in facility operations and innovative precision dose cannabis products in numerous states, said John Levin, CFO of MariMed Advisors. Even more opportunities are opening up as aspiring licensees seek our assistance in locations considering legalizing cannabis. As a public company singularly focused on the cannabis industry, We believe that with access to the capital markets, we will be better able to develop our products development and distribution networks and provide our clients with the funding needed to secure licenses, design, build, and operate the facilities more expeditiously. So that is that. So that's our latest press release. So if you want to continue doing more due diligence on MariMed Incorporated, just go right over to the MRMD board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time of sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating, all right there at your fingertips. And if you have an opinion on a company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that MariMed Incorporated board.
All right, with that being said, over here, you guys can follow along with all this stuff. The recent news that Joe just went over as well on Investors Hangout, completely free, like he said. Right now, it when I put this in here at 54 rather, resistance at 54.60 and support at 47.40 might start to go sideways if in another day if volume continues to slow or starts to slow rather. Nice setup here though, and I do want to mention that the person that brought us this one, 52-week high today, hit it today. December 05, today 63. So very, very big move off that. Like he said, especially back over here in December, trading off that 05. So beautiful setup here, MRMD. Just because you might go sideways for a day or two doesn't really mean too much if you look back at December trading at 05. So continue to watch this one moving forward. MRMD. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. And check us out on our next live show, investorshangout.com/live.